Hi, welcome to Tealfield. So, in this video, we'll talk about that how child development centers can schedule recurring sessions with their clients effortlessly and efficiently with Tealfield. So, let's suppose that your client has taken a discovery session with you and now they request maybe four sessions each week with two of your therapists. So, it's basically two sessions each week with both of the two therapists. So, simply the first step would be viewing their calendars alongside to get a clear view of which of the two adjacent slots are available for both the therapist on which days. So, on Monday, the 1:30 to 2:30 slot is free of the speech therapist and 2:30 to 3:30 slot is available for the child psychologist. And similar pattern we can see on Wednesday. Scheduling sessions in adjacent slot with the therapist would also allow the child to get the sessions done without having to wait full day at the clinic. So now let's see how we can schedule recurring sessions. So let's start with scheduling the Monday and Friday 1:30 to 2:30 session with the speech therapist. So you'll head to the Tealfeed dashboard, select the speech therapist with whom you want to schedule the session. And here, now you'll head either to events or to the create new button here. And from here, we'll go into the events, add the name, the description, the poster, everything you want to add. You can add the duration whatever you desire, then you can select the day. So since we are starting with maybe 13 January, which is a Monday, so it'll here will be the start date, and the time would be 1:30 p.m. So we'll just add the time here, and you can click here to check the availability. It'll, if the slot is available, it will show. And since it's a recurring event, now we'll turn this toggle on, and we want this to repeat every week on Mondays and Wednesdays. So we'll select whatever day is suitable to us. And now if suppose it's a client for 6 months and if you want to charge them for the entire 6 months at once, you can just select ends on. You can choose a date whenever this 6 months duration end with a particular client, or if you want to charge on a per month basis, you can just select a date which is 1 month later than when you're scheduling and charge for only that month. You can also click here to preview slots and see if the future slots are available as well. And then you can choose whether you want to keep the session free, whether you want to accept the payment through Tealfeed, or whether you want to accept the payment at your clinic. Then you can go ahead selecting whatever the location you desire or the location of your clinic after setting it in the defaults in the admin panel. Then you can choose the number of seats of how many clients you want to allow in this session. You can choose the clients you want to notify if they already exist in your client base, or you can add them here. This will send them the automated booking invite, or you can auto confirm a client in a similar fashion as well. In this case, they wouldn't have to do anything. And after adding a few things, like if you'd like to add a questionnaire, if you'd like to uh, choose which notifications and reminders you would want to send your client or not, after choosing everything, once you click on publish, you can see that your event has been successfully created. You can click on see future dates to see when on what dates the event is scheduled, and this will also reflect in your calendar. You can see that every Monday and Wednesday a recurring session has been scheduled. This saves you the hassle of scheduling sessions again and again. And if the process involves more than one therapist, like two or three, you'll just have to repeat the same process for each of the therapists on your team, and you can schedule multiple recurring sessions like that. And once the session is created, both you and the client will receive a email, a confirmation email, and a WhatsApp, and also email and WhatsApp reminders 24 hours and 30 minutes before the session, reducing the no-show rate and making it easier for your therapist and your clients to keep a track of the sessions. So no more struggling to coordinate the schedules of your multiple therapists to find adjacent slot. No more scheduling sessions again and again on your different therapist calendar, and no more manually sending notifications and reminders to every client and therapist. Hope this helps. Thank you.